Hey folks, I'm here in Shenzhen at Huawei's headquarters, and this is a Mate 20X 5G, and I want to run a speed test for you. As we can see the 5G logo up there. We're on China Mobile's live network. It's the real network, mid-band 5G. So let's run that speed test, shall we? And here we go. Ooh, 800 megabits per second, not bad. And let's do the upload. So this is unlike in the US, the upload is not over LTE, the upload is also over 5G, which is something that you definitely want. And there's your speed test. 835 and 144 on 5G China Mobile here at Shenzhen at Huawei's headquarters. Please like the video, subscribe, tell your friends, and remember, this is a supplement to the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com, so please check that out. Subscribe as well. Cheers, everybody.